Welcome back to PiaSys Tech Bites. Today I am really happy because it is episode number 100 of PiaSys Tech Bites. That's a great achievement, and I want to thank you all for watching all of the episodes that I released in the last 2 years. Moreover, I'm really happy also because I'm going to introduce a new series of episodes which will take place in the upcoming weeks and months, and which will cover how to develop solutions for Microsoft Teams. In fact, I plan to show you how to leverage SharePoint framework to create team tabs and team personal hubs, how to use the team context in SharePoint framework, how to create custom property pane controls to use inside your custom developed solution for Teams, and how to consume the Microsoft Graph and third-party APIs registered in Azure Active Directory from within your custom Teams tabs or personal apps developed with SharePoint framework. Moreover, I want to explain you how to leverage the Yo Teams generator that you can use to create team tabs, to register for webhooks, to create bot, to create messaging extensions, and a lot of stuff that you can use to extend the user experience in Microsoft Teams. Last but not least, I also plan to cover how to leverage the Microsoft Graph and Azure Active Directory to securely access Microsoft Teams and all of the resources available through Microsoft Teams using an external application. So again, thank you for watching the first 100 episodes of PiaSys Tech Bites, and stay tuned to watch many more episodes which will come in the near future. Thank you.